Hello, I'm Kevin Riley, owner of Alexandria Hyundai, and on behalf of all the Washington area Hyundai dealers, welcome to the Washington Auto Show and the 2020 Hyundai Hands on Hope contest. Let's take a moment and look at the highlights from last year's contest.
Oh, you win $50,000. We've got the check for $25,000 to Children's National for Pediatric Cancer Research.
I'm excited to introduce our contestants for this year's contest and have you learn more about how they'll keep their hands in constant contact with this 2020 Hyundai Venue for 50 hours, day and night.
My name is Daniela Herrera, and I'm a pediatric nurse practitioner in the anesthesia and pain department.
My name is Russell Cruz. I'm a cancer researcher at Children's National.
My name is Anantwat Sain, and I'm an attending physician in the Division of Blood and Marrow Transplantation at Children's National.
My name is Emily Masonette, and I work in the HTSR, which is the Histopathology Tissue Shared Resource.
My name is Dana Hunter, and I work in research development.
My name is Olivia, and I work as a nurse in the GEORGETOWN Lombardi Pediatric Cancer Clinic.
We have made long headways in pediatric cancer, and we have come to a point where we're treating 90% of them, the most common one being the leukemia. But we still have so many other cancers for which there are no treatment, and we need a lot of cancer research funds for that.
As soon as I heard about this contest, I knew I really wanted the opportunity to get out there and show my passion for this just amazing organization and the work that we do, and to let people know that pediatric cancer research is very underfunded. This is a great place that I can advocate for all of the kids that I get to work with every day.
I think it's more of a mental game that you're going to have to play. Just hopefully I'll stay on the car somehow.
I'm ready for 50 hours in the car, and I hope I, make it all the way to the end.
Come on down to the Washington Auto Show and cheer on your favorite team at the 2020 Hyundai Hands on Hope contest. The contest kicks off this Thursday, January 30th at 1 p.m. and concludes Saturday, February 1st at 3 p.m. when we'll find out which contestant's key starts this brand new 2020 Hyundai Venue. But even more importantly, we'll distribute $100,000 in pediatric cancer research grants. We look forward to seeing you there.
Go Georgetown Lombardi, we're gonna win it again.
Go Children's National, we got this!